Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Oscar Health app for plan selection, full guide step. To download the Oscar Health app for plan selection, start by unlocking your smartphone. Navigate to the App Store on your device. If you are using an iPhone, open the Apple App Store. For Android users, access the Google Play Store. In the search bar of the App Store, type Oscar Health. Once the search results appear, locate the Oscar Health app. Make sure it is developed by Oscar Health Incorporated. Tap on the app icon to open the app page. You will see an option to download or install the app. For iPhone users, tap on the Get button. Android users will see the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install completely. Once the installation is finished, open the Oscar Health app. You may be prompted to allow notifications. Choose your preferred option. Next, if you already have an Oscar Health account, tap on the Login option. If you are new to Oscar Health, select Sign Up to create a new account. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your personal information. Complete the required fields, including your name, email, and phone number. Once your details are entered, submit the information to create your account. After you log in or sign up, you will be directed to the plan selection screen. Here, you can browse various health insurance plans offered by Oscar Health. Take your time to review each plan's details, including benefits and costs. When you find a plan that suits your needs, follow the prompts to select it. After selecting your plan, proceed to the next steps to finalize your enrollment. You may be asked to enter additional information to complete the process. Once everything is submitted, your selections will be confirmed. You can now easily manage your health plan through the Oscar Health app. Feel free to reach out to customer support if you have any questions or need assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.